All right, concrete pour day. Been waiting for this day for a while now, but check it out. Placers on site, pumps on site, and we have concrete.
Shook my head, I just wanted to...
It's an all-day affair here today because we're pouring so many places at one time. So we're gonna sit around and watch these guys do the work. We'll come back and see what the finished product looks like. All right, we got Halen from Lionhard Concrete, the Van Halen of concrete.
Van Halen.
Yeah. So tell me what we're doing here and what kind of mixes and stuff we're using and what's so important about using the right type of mix.
Well, this morning with the basement floor, we got a basement jig. Nice and wet, easy to lay down, good for getting heights nice and quick with other stairs and whatnot we're doing here today. This is a one-part mix that consists of concrete. There's a little bit of chemical that gets involved to get it to a nice wet consistency so when we jig it, it can level itself out and we can get it nice and smooth for the builder here.
So Halen, we'll be here all day pouring concrete. It's gonna be like 30 degrees today. What kind of mix do you need and what kind of additives do you need in order to get this concrete consistent enough for those special areas?
Need to take the certain steps to doing things in order, hidden footings, and then keeping it nice and wet for certain stairs and stuff so we have time to work it and get on it like for finishing after.
You mentioned the chemicals that you're putting into the concrete. What is that chemical called and what does it do?
The chemical in here is plasticizer or retarder. There's two of them, but they just help slow down and dummy up the load to make it set a lot slower. It gives us the time to do our job and do it nice for the builder here.
So notice you guys put the concrete roughly in those other areas, for example, the stair walls, the feature areas, and are you letting that dry first for a bit before you guys go and trowel finish?
Yeah, we generally try and hit it in order. Like with the foundation back there, we hit the footings first, let it set up so when we pour the walls, there's no blowouts. We can just fill it right to the top, nice and wet, and have it smooth with no holes or honeycombing, as we call it, in the walls. And then the stairs, generally, you kind of want it slightly dry, but still wet, so we can pour it in one go, get it placed, have time to come back to it, and finish it nice.
So what's the last thing you'd be doing for this concrete pour? I mean, I see you guys doing all the rough stuff first. How do you guys proceed or progress into the job?
Well, like I said, we get everything placed. We try and make it wetter so we have the time to place it nice, doesn't set up on us and get hard on us. And then it's just by touch of feel of seeing where the concrete's at, how dry it is, until we can get on it with our knee boards and like give it a nice trowel finish, nice and smooth.
All right. Well, it sounds like it's going to be a long day for you guys. The weather is it's actually perfect for this kind of pour. It's hot, but okay, let's see how it comes out.
Perfect.
Thanks Alan.
Cheers.
Cheers.